How to use Honeypot Feminine Menstrual Cup. How to use. 1. Sterilize. 2. Wash your hands with a pH-balanced or mild fragrance-free soap. 3. Before every use, wash cup with Honeypot Feminine Wash. 4. Form a U shape by flattening the ends together and insert into the vagina. 5. Rotate the base of the cup to provide suction and seal. Menstrual cup. If tampons or pads aren't your cup of tea, reach for the Honeypot's Menstrual Cup, a convenient, sustainable alternative that's good for you and the earth. This feminine menstrual cup is made with medical-grade silicone and is free from latex and phthalates. Best of all, silicone menstrual cup can be reused over and over again, for up to a year. Menstrual cup comes in 2 sizes. Size 1 is ideal for those with a light to medium flow, while size 2 is ideal for those with a medium to heavy flow and those who have given birth. Details. 12-hour protection. Cup for period is approved for overnight wear. Great alternative for anyone sensitive to tampons or pads. 43 mm diameter. 7 cm length of cup from rim to stem. Holds 20 ml of liquid. For women between ages of 19 to 30 with light to medium flow. Dermatologist approved. Kind to and safe for skin. Hypoallergenic.